one for the Chevy fans. 1958 Chevrolet Delray, just in it, unique, especially in classics. Nice looking two-door post. Has underwent a frame-on restoration, now powered by a 350 small block Chevy underneath the hood. That is paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. We'll pop the hood in a bit here, start it up. Let's check out the engine bay here at Run. First of all, let's take a look at the bright work up front. Check out the chrome in the bumper. It does show a little bit of pitting and age down around the license plate, but overall nice looking front end paint on this. Shows well. Not that old of a paint job. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, you'll be able to check out this car from every angle, see the interior, the engine bay, the underside of it. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right there. Of course, you can always call us too, 507-386-1726. Take a look up and down this passenger side so you can see how straight it is. And again, not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. Maybe a couple little imperfections in the bright work, but you really got to be looking close to find maybe like a spot right there, pretty small one. But overall, this car shows very well. Very popular model year because they only made this body style for 1 year, 1958. A lot different cars in 1957 and 59. There's your 4-speed manual on the floor. We'll get around to the interior, let you take a little closer look at that in a second too. It's a very nicely finished interior. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. So consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Let you get a look at the rear bumper, bright work. Here's one of the things that's just distinguishing on the 58 is those rear taillights. How the rear fenders are sculptured. Much different. 57s and 59s. Once again, still pictures. You want to see the trunk, the undersides, engine bay, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Walk you down the driver's side here too, and you can see, I mean, the bright work is nice in the car. Like I said, maybe just a few little imperfections here and there, but overall, look at how it lines up too. At the door, edges front and back. And again, paint is definitely in nice shape. It's riding on Hankook radials. Kind of the chrome steelies with steel, or with a wheel cover. Nice looking combination. All right, let's move along to the interior here. Still looks like a pretty stock looking dash. Fuel gauge does work. Played around with that a little bit, and that does work. Did not have the radio working. Did get the wipers to sweep. All right, so we got kind of a cloth vinyl combo, kind of a silver and gray combination, new carpeting, and there'll be close-up pictures of the back seat, front seats, dash. Headliner is also in good shape. All right, let's fire this up so you can hear it run. Take a listen to that 350 underneath the hood. Up there. All right, get it right and let you take a quick look at this dash again. Looks very stock. This top has been painted gray to match the interior cloth and vinyl. It does have sun visors also. It's a nice setup. Be a fun one to take down the road into your local cruise-ins, roll-ins, local shows. Slip around to the back, no crazy cam, loud exhaust, anything like that. Just a nice little deep rumble. Smooth runner, sounds good. Again, small block Chevy paired up with that 4-speed manual, and it's a 350 V8. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. Let's take a look underneath the hood and see how that looks underneath there.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we go. According to the data tag also, which there'll be a picture of online, This was originally a V8 car. A smooth runner. I guess what you'd expect. Nice tidy engine bay. HEI ignition on it. And again, you just could hear how easily it started when I fired it up too, so a little update to that ignition. Alright, looking for a 1 year only body style. Paint looking good, bright work looking good, smooth runner. 4-speed even. 1958 Chevrolet Delray. Interested in this two-door post? Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.